In this video, you'll learn an intermediate tap dance combination to the song Haunted Steps. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Let's jump in. Starting with the right foot, dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Flap, heel, flap, stamp. Let's roll that again. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, 7. Now repeat the beginning starting on the left. Dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Followed by stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. I'm going to show that left side again. Ready, go. Dig, step, spank, step. Dig, step, spank, step. Stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Super, my friends. Let's connect it from the top. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, 7. Left. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. From there you have a double cramp roll, step, step, stamp, stamp, clap. A double buffalo, step, step, stamp, stamp, clap. Well, my feet did it, but my mouth didn't say it. Let's try that again. Start with the right foot. That was 6, 7, 8. A double cramp roll, step, step, stamp, stamp, clap. Double buffalo, step, step, stamp, stamp, clap. Followed by heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, both. That's both toes at the end. Again, that's heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, both. Beautiful. Let's go back to that double cramp roll. 6, ready, go. A double cramp roll, step, step, stamp, stamp, clap. A double buffalo, step, step, stamp, stamp, clap. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, both. Followed by toe, 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 crayon roll, dig, dig. Again, that's toe, 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 crayon roll, dig, dig. Wonderful. Let's go back to that cramp roll and give me another shot to say it right. Actually, I'm going to do counts this time. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and a 7, and 8. How about we roll that all again? Let me modify my counts on that. 6, ready, go. A 1, E, and a, E, and 3, and 4, a 5, E, and a, E, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and a 7, and 8. That's a little bit better. Now we're going to go back to top and connect all those pieces together. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. A 1, and 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7. A 1, and 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I understand my counts have shifted slightly. These are the right ones. Go with these ones. I'm going to do that again from the top. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, a 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. And 1, and 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, and 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful, my friends. We're going to try that much with music. We'll start under tempo. The song is called Haunted Steps. Full disclosure, it was created with AI. I made some adjustments, but generally it's primarily AI. And if you want to download it, you can click on the link below. Kind of stuff. Let's give it a shot with music. I'm going to drop it 10% to get us started, and then I'll boost us up. And if you have the music, we're starting at 10 seconds into the song. All right, minus 10%. This might feel slow. That's okay. We'll see how it goes. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night.
Beautiful. Yeah, it might feel a little slow for me. No worries. We're going to do it one more time at the slow speed. For people who want to go faster, we're getting there. I promise you we're getting there. So one more time at minus 10, and let's see how it rolls. If you got the feet, add some style, right? 5, 6, ready, go!
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone.
Nice.
Let's dance the night away.
Beautiful, my friends. I'm going to boost it up to -5. Still under tempo, but definitely faster than what we just did. Give it a shot and see how it goes. 5, 6, ready, go!
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Let's dance the night away.
Beautiful, my friends. Let's hit it again. Under tempo, one more time. Having fun. Let's roll it. 5, 6, ready and go!
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing.
Yes!
Let's dance the night away.
Nice.
Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes.
Beautiful, my friends. Now I'm going to boost it all the way up to real speed. You can do this. Have fun. Let's give it a go and see how it rolls. 5, 6, ready, go!
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Let's
Hey!
dance the night away.
Nice.
Feel the groove that's here.
If it takes a little bit to adjust to the new tempo, no worries. That's normal. We'll do it a couple more times at the full speed so you can get used to it and enjoy it. 5, 6, ready, go!
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Let's dance the night away.
Nice!
Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie.
Wonderful, my friends. One more time, full speed. Here we go. Make it your best. Enjoy it. Maybe add a little style if you got the feet going. 5, 6, ready and go!
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Let's
Hey!
dance the night away. Feel the groove.
All right, my friends, let's finish this out. You just finished toe, 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 cramp, roll, dig, dig. You have spank, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine, grapevine. Do that again. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. From there, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, stamp, clap, stamp. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7. Let's connect those two pieces together. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7. They're not the same rhythm. I'll do it again. They're not the same rhythm. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7. From there, dig toe step, dig toe step, dig toe step, stamp, step shuffle, step, hold, stamp, stamp. So again, that's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 6, 7. How about one more time, same spot? 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 6, 7. Beautiful, my friends. Let's connect all of that new stuff together. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 7. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 6, 7. Beautiful, you made it to the end. What I want to do now is rewind and connect it from toe, 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 cramp, roll, dig, dig, inspect, step, heel, grapevine, grapevine, grapevine. We're just going to practice that transition, exactly what I just did. We'll run that several times so we get that connected in our minds. From the toe, toe, toe. 6, ready, go. Toe, 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 cramp, roll, dig, dig. Spank, step, peel, grapevine, grapevine, grapevine. Same spot. 6, ready, go. Toe, 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 cramp, roll, dig, dig. Spank, step, peel, grapevine, grapevine, grapevine. One more time, same spot, except this time keep going all the way to the end. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 6, 7. Well, excellent, my friends. It's time to take this top all the way through. I know you can do it. Let's do it with music, and I'm going to drop it about 5%. We'll drop it 5% just to get used to everything. I think you'll be fine. Just follow along. You'll have a good time. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes
New
sing.
part.
Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
yeah, all right, we're getting the flow, we're getting the feel. Let's roll that all again, staying at the -5 for now. Here we go. And 5, 6, ready, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes
New
sing.
part.
Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Hey! Beautiful, my friends. Let's boost it up all the way to real speed. You got it. You can do it. Good luck, and here we go. 6, 7, go.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Hey! Wonderful, my friends. Let's roll it again at the real speed. Having fun, working out. If the feet are easy, add some style. 5, 6, 7, go!
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Nice! Super, my friends. We're going to hit it one more time from top all the way through. Make it your best and have the most fun. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, and go!
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghosts play spooky games of chance. Tap sheets click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
Yes! Beautiful, my friends. I'm going to do it one more time facing you, just so you can see what it looks like from the front with music. Let's see how it goes.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
All right, thank you all so much for tapping with me and for joining my YouTube membership. I appreciate it. If you do want more structured content, UnitedTaps.com is the place to find it. Choreography, workouts, we have some music, we have lessons, we have Tap Dictionary, all kinds of great stuff there. Again, thanks for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.